My human be like, hurry up and go pee, I want to go inside. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I will stand here and sniff every blade of grass and make you freeze to death and still not go.
Get an hour.
Бегу по тропинке, в голове ля-ля-ля. Вижу тебя, влюбляюсь немножко и смущаюсь я. Краснею я.
Ко мне. Стоп. Сидеть. Лежать. Ползи. Ползи. Ай, умница.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit. Cause bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must forgot I was a crip. Scoop.
Got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth. I got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth. I got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth.
No cables. Vení, Coco, venga, Coquito.
Let me in. I gotta poop. Now you know us little doggies do not like snow or rain. And in case you hadn't noticed, it's raining. You wouldn't want my little feet to get wet now, would ya? Would ya? Oh, I gotta go so bad. I'm squeezing my cheeks together so hard, I can't tell if my butt cheeks are sweating or if I pooped a little. Yeah, I think I might have pooped a little. Oh, come on, you crazy human. Open the dang door. Let me in. I gotta poop.
Quit yelling at me. Bless you.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like...
This turns into a fashion show?
What are you wearing? Is that Prada? Oh, you guys are dancing? They're dancing dresses?
This Cars and Stripes event ends soon at Naples Mazda.
Ready? That made me crazy. That made me crazy. That made me crazy. Possibly.
I'm resigning, everyone. I'm out of here. There's my letter of resignation. Fuck off, everyone.
It's okay. It's okay.
She's like,
I know you didn't mean it. Okay. Okay. It's okay. All right.
Oh, good girl. Good girl, my good. Oh my.
Hey, my big boy. Since Our Hour's been on the menu lately, I know you love it, I know. But they want you to Our Hour. Can I get an Hour? Okay. Hour.
Rub my belly. More. Did I say you can fucking stop? Don't try me, biatch. Aw, nice. Belly rub for days.
Reasons to get a Chihuahua Part 7.
Reason 1, because they're easy to carry. Reason 2, because they like to be pet. Reason 3, they like cuddles.
Молодец. Давай, прыгай. Ой, молодец. Любовь. Ты мою радость. Все, мы пошли.
It's your baby.
Okay, now listen. Yeah. Say,